What do juicy watermelons, big round pumpkins, and spicy peppers all have in common? They all come from seeds. One seed is able to produce plants of all sizes, from a blade of grass to a large walnut tree. Today, we will explore the inside of a seed by dissecting a lima bean, and we will learn about the seeds we eat. Let's go ahead and get started. How many of you have tried to grow a plant from a seed? Seeds don't require much, but they do need a few specific things in order to grow successfully. To be a good gardener, you need to understand how a seed begins to grow and what you can do to help a seed to start growing. Seeds come in all shapes and sizes, from a tiny little kiwi seed to the large pit of an avocado. The magic of nature allows both the teeny tiny seeds and large seeds to grow into a whole new plant. Seeds require moisture and warmth to germinate or grow. The word germination means the process of a seed starting to grow into a young plant. Seeds have all of the energy and nutrition that they need to start growing stored inside of them, so they don't need sunlight for energy or soil for nutrition. When a seed absorbs water, it signals to the seed to start growing by sprouting roots and leaves. In order to learn about the parts that make up the seed, we will perform a seed dissection. Dissection means to divide something into its separate parts to learn how they work. We will use a lima bean soaked in water overnight for this dissection. The lima bean seed has 3 parts. The seed coat, the cotyledon, and the embryo. We will identify all 3 parts of the seed during our dissection. But first, let's learn how each part is important for the seed to grow. The seed coat is the part of the seed that surrounds and protects the seed. The cotyledon is the part of the plant that stores all the plant's energy and is like a backpack of food the seed uses when it starts to grow. The embryo is the actual baby plant before it starts to grow. Let's begin the dissection by removing the lima bean seed coat. As you can see, the seed coat of a lima bean is a thin, papery, white layer surrounding the seed. Next, we split the lima bean in half. The white, starchy part of the lima bean is the cotyledon. Have you ever eaten a lima bean before? The starchy, mushy part you chew up is the cotyledon. This is where the energy and nutrients are held inside the seed. When we eat seeds, we are eating the energy and nutrients stored in the cotyledon, making a seed a very nutritious food for us. Last, we will identify the embryo, the actual baby lima plant inside the seed. This is found in the upper corner of the seed and is very small and delicate. The embryo has 2 sides. One side looks like a flag and will become the first leaves of the plant. The other looks like a piece of rice and will become the first roots of the plant. Let's take a look at what a plant looks like as it emerges from the soil. We call this tiny plant a seedling. As the seed grows, beginning underground and working its way to the soil surface, it will eventually use up all of its stored energy. Once a seed grows leaves, it can begin getting energy from the sun through photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process by which green plants and some other organisms use sunlight to synthesize foods from carbon dioxide and water. Seeds are delicious. Lots of different critters enjoy seeds. And did you know people eat lots of seeds too? There are many seeds to choose from, such as rice, nuts, popcorn, beans, pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, peas, and so much more. Seeds provide our bodies with nutrients and energy and make a great snack. Today we learned what seeds need to grow, the different parts that make up seeds, and why seeds are a delicious and healthy snack. Next time you plant a seed, remember there is a tiny plant inside waiting to grow roots, leaves, and eventually flowers, fruit, and even more seeds.